Hi everyone! Today we will learn how to draw a cool helicopter. Get your pencils, erasers, and paper ready. We will make a helicopter that can fly high in the sky. Let's get started. First, we draw a rectangular helicopter body, then add a propeller on top. Make a big circle, then a small circle in the middle for details. Don't forget to draw a long, slender helicopter tail. Now we draw small windows on the helicopter body.
Swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The wheels on the bus.
Now it's time to color our helicopter. You can use your favorite colors. Red, blue, yellow, or any other favorite color. Be creative and color your helicopter as attractive as possible. Our helicopter is almost done. Cool, isn't it? Hopefully this video is useful and inspires you to continue drawing creatively. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey little artists! Today we're going on an underwater adventure and learning how to draw unique fish. We'll be drawing a cute little shipfish, a big whale, and maybe some other fish. Get your pencils, erasers, and paper ready. Let's get started. First, let's draw a small shipfish. Start with an oval shape for the body of the fish. Then, add small fins on the sides and a cute tail. Don't forget to draw round and adorable eyes. Lastly, add details like small windows on the shipfish's body. Now, let's draw a big and friendly whale. Start with a long round shape for the whale's body, add a fin on its back and a wide tail. Draw small eyes and a blowhole on top of the whale's head. You can add details like folds in the whale's skin. It's time to color our fishes. Choose bright and interesting colors to make our drawing more lively. You can use blue for the sea, bright colors for the fishes. And don't forget to be creative with other colors.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
drawing is almost done. Isn't it great? Hopefully this video inspires you to keep creating and drawing. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Q, R,